Cheers. We made it to Huntington Beach. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna have a beach day. It's day 4. 90% of the time. They got white people empanadas, white people making empanadas. We're getting a bite to eat at, it's called Broad Street Oyster Co. I didn't realize it was so expensive. To be fair, I did get a lobster roll, but I paid $42 between my lobster roll and my lemonade. Here's the grub. Whatever. I mean, like, it's good. It's 5. Give it a 7 out of 10. I didn't know it came with lemon because I wanted to try it with lemon first before I put it all over. They have vinegar here because they serve fish and chips, and I want to try what fries are like with vinegar. That's the end of my story. It tastes like beer. We're gonna have a surfing competition at some point. I didn't know surfing was that serious. Alright, hookers, we made it. Oh shit. I got myself one of these. Should I get a pink belt? Loki's calling me. What? What about my suitcase? Oh, you gotta pay for it. That man has a snake on his head. You can't see it.
I want to pet it.
I hope you can see it. Spread. Okay. My sister got. What did you get?
I got fried chicken, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, potato salad, red beans and rice, beignets, and you also got the garlic fries that made everything smell like garlic.
What? What?
The garlic girl. Okay, hold on.
Do I need to talk about what? Talk to me.
How bad is the damage on my eye? How bad is it?
What?
How bad is it?
Talk to me. I've been asking you for
How bad is the damage?
Talk to me. What?
It's fine. We'll just stay under low light.
What do I know? What? What do you need to talk to me about? Are you tired of sitting here to talk to me? Ask who? You tell me. Talk to me.
Anyways, I got the anti-gravity noodles.
Oh, you really know that.
So what's the meat of it?
It's sausage and shrimp.
I don't know what. Do you want me to talk about the many times you pushed me, the many times you shoved me, the many times you told me shit? But that is not okay. But you want to come and replicate at me something what? I'm talking to you. That is why what?
I give it a 7 out of 10 for the fries. Yeah. I'm so glad that these things happen to me. Is this gonna stay? Let's hope so. Wibbly wobbly, wibbly wobbly, wibbly wobbly. Guys, shout out to how I look this good today. I got ready in 40 minutes. Okay. These are the noodles. Yeah, peep how they're standing up. I actually don't know how they're doing it. Oh, there's a little holder inside. That's how. Oh, wow. Honestly, pretty mid. They were 17 bucks. Would I pay 17? Would I pay 17 bucks again? I don't know. Also, they're cold, and I don't know if it's supposed to be cold. Y'all missed it, but there was a couple fighting right behind us.
You're trying to put it on me.
The sausages
Yeah,
are
you
good.
just fucking did. You just told me we came
8 out of 10.
hot. We didn't even come in hot, bro. We came in not knowing what the fucking situation was.
How's your chicken?
Came up there thinking like, oh, he's gonna want to talk about it. And he doesn't want to talk about shit. Yeah, I get that. I get that. But he gets up and he's like, okay, let's go. And you're telling me something completely different. Like you're telling me, let's go, us three, so we can let them talk about it. Jose doesn't want to talk about shit.
8 out of 10.
Bianca walks away.
What flavor is that?
Talking about it now. So now my thing is, what the
Strawberry
fuck did
daifuku.
Santa tell you that you told fucking Jose? I'm just asking you a question. I'm not blaming you. No, I'm not blaming you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I come at
There's more that way.
I'm sorry.
Yep, there you go. There you go.
I'm sorry.
Yep.
For you.
Oh, it's for me?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were trying to get a picture of me. Thank you.
I just wanted to give him the space to talk about it.
Yes, I agree with you.
But hold on.
I agree
Both
with
of you guys approaching it was not the thing.
you. told me, come here, bring Bianca. I came here, brought Bianca. And then you're telling me
Here's the shrimp.
you terrified me. How was that my fault?
It's not just you. It's both of you guys.
I don't give a fuck. You're gonna be scared of me? That's not my fucking problem.
I'm just telling you.
I didn't even say anything to you. I just brought Bianca like you.
The shrimp's really good.
And then he wants to walk
Nice,
away,
like crisp.
Like everything's then Bianca got upset.
8 out of 10. This scene is so cinematic, like this. What I got going on.
I get what you're talking about. I understand that you have worked in this situation for 45 years.
Take the holder out.
I'm not degrading what you've done.
That's what makes it special. Hold
We
on.
are now talking about it.
Oh crap.
Alright.
Whatever the fuck else.
Oh. What's at the bottom?
Exactly.
Is this edible? Hold on.
You didn't even
looks like
approach
it.
aggressively.
It looks edible.
Quietly, let it be.
I'm sorry, I wasn't fucking dainty and just like was sat down and was like, hey guys, how's it going? What do you want me to
Tastes like
do?
radish. Like one big fat radish.
We didn't even get
Is there another
up
vegetable
here.
that's big but tastes like radish?
I don't know. What does
He got
jicama
up
taste
and was
like?
Let's just go inside.
It might be jicama. I don't know what jicama is in English though.
Very,
What do you want me to do? Like that's nothing I can control.
very, very, very thin.
Okay, I'm sorry, I was fucking feeling good.
I know. I'm not trying to.
I'm not saying that you're putting out. I'm not saying you're
I'm just trying to.
I get that.
I'm sorry.
I get it. I get it. My point is that I need to know what we can cook. I don't give a fuck about you. How about you?
Approved that.
That's a fucking lie. And if I touch you, if they found and they didn't kiss.
I will say there's no soup with the noodles. I've never had any dish like that. Like I know they exist, but
Exactly what she said.
I'm not used to it.
And then when he walked up, yeah.
The noodles are cold. Cold noodles, yeah.
Put yourself in Jose.
I have for myself a Jose's position with all the girls.
It's not even about that. It's about things that Jose has done.
Oh, there's pieces of chives in it.
It's about things that Jose has done.
There are pieces of chives.
Been allowed to pass for, and now Bianca makes one almost mistake, and she's getting like, yeah.
Trust me.
Wait, all the sauce is at the bottom. I'm eating this one. Hold on. Guys.
The whole fucking time I was trying to leave that on. I was leaving it on. It was
There for him. Look, he's really no. It's not on there.
You told me I'm Bianca here.
Bianca.
Okay, but you have to understand her point of view.
She said between her. But you have to understand that between her and Jose, that shit was always squashed.
Exactly.
He wants to bring it up right now as big.
Where I got
Because
this,
Jose brought it up.
they have, what's it called?
Jose was the one to
Lanterns like those in the back. Those.
When you're with your girl or with your
They're just like hanging and then there's a bench under it. And so I was like, oh, let me have a seat while I wait for my food. While I wait for my food.
brought it up.
I almost,
That's the way it happened.
I almost took down one of the lanterns with my head because I forgot this hat isn't put on all the way. It's like floating.
We want to support her.
It's like floating.
I will.
No, we told him how it was.
No,
We
I
didn't tell
get
him
that.
what he would need to
I
hear.
get that.
What it was.
Which is why I did
Chicken.
not come in hot. Because I could have come in
I know.
You like it?
Trust me. I don't know you.
I
know
Why are
you.
you telling me?
There's like actually like crispy chicken. Like not no like Popeyes, no KFC. This is like,
Alright, don't hit on Popeyes.
no, I don't hate on Popeyes, but like it's different. It's a different vibe, you know? No, it's like really good and there's like seasoning in it.
Air conditioner? Okay. I have it.
Alright, I'm leaving half of every side,
Good.
so you can try it too. So I put in here mac and cheese and mashed potatoes.
Alright.
I gotta find Bianca.
Do I get a fork?
Ran away from me.
I have a spoon.
Oh, okay, perfect. Here's the mac and cheese and potato. Yep. Let's dig into the mac and cheese.
No, it's not. did my best.
Can I be honest?
We tried our best to stay
All
out
mac and
of
cheese
it.
tastes the same to me.
What?
I'm sorry, like unless it's like a baked mac and cheese with like that little like breadcrumb crust, it's all the same to me. I'm sorry.
Bringing up shit for Bianca to feel it.
You don't like it? Yeah, like,
No, it tastes good. I like it.
I told him.
Regardless
Mashed potatoes,
of perspective you put on it,
it's better than the boxed ones. However, comma, all mashed potatoes taste the same to me.
I agree.
I am tasting hints of different things
I'm
though.
gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be honest with you.
I specifically ordered the red beans and rice.
She did the same shit.
I got this for myself. My sister got this for myself.
I'm telling you the same shit. It takes a person to get over it.
No regrets,
But at
10
the
out of
same
10.
time, if they don't get over it, it's not wrong. It's not wrong.
It's not wrong either. Yeah, you're right.
That's my point. I love that woman. I love her.
No, we're at the Anaheim food packing. We're at the Anaheim packing house. It's like a bunch of like different restaurant stalls.
That avenue, you take that path.
I ordered from a place.
Support both factors and we cannot be left or right.
I don't know where I ordered from, but it's good. I think it's like 206 BCE or something.
Can you
Is the
call
name.
right back and see where the fuck she walked off to?
My sister got Georgia's restaurant Soul Delicious. It specializes in soul food.
It's just called George's Restaurant.
Oh, Georgia's restaurant. That's what it's called.
I understand that, but when she got up, she walked off to the left, to the left, to the right.
Ever since I stepped off the airplane here in California, my eyes have been watering non-stop, and it's really messing up my makeup. Like I've been walking around with like a thing of concealer and pressed powder, and nothing's worked. Like that has nothing's worked.
All I think of is I need a fucking whiskey.
Oh, what is this?
You don't just
Potato salad.
Here's the potato salad.
Dude, but
It's already happened.
I took 55 minutes of work to have at least a conversation. And y'all, I'm not gonna say I'll blame these guys.
How do they get
Yeah.
hot
Y'all
or what?
keep it hot as fuck.
I just think it's like,
You can eat that.
No, I like it. You don't like it?
You got straight to the point.
If you don't like it, I'll eat this.
Like, what do you want to talk about? Like,
It's good. It's just
It's
really
in the
good.
woods. Because they wouldn't let it go. They wouldn't let it go.
I don't mind it. Throw an egg in here though. It wouldn't hurt it.
Why pick today to choose that?
it's because they're both upset. Bianca's upset about one.
There is like,
Why choose
guys, I bit into the egg.
It has nothing to do with it.
and they're both not wrong.
It's like a tiny bit in there.
Wrong. But why today?
Y'all, I'm having a grand old time.
Yeah, like I said,
The aesthetic is aestheticing. I got music going on. I'm playing Celia Cruz right now. Not gonna lie. Y'all see this? This little AirPod? Celia Cruz. She's whispering in my ear. A piece of chicken just fell on my leg. Also, it's my first time wearing Gucci shorts. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel cold, that's how I feel. Because there's no sun. Because it's night. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this. I still have pizza at home. It's like I actively have pizza.
I understand that. You give her a second. Wait.
Wait, did she go that way?
We know her. She's not going far.
They didn't know where it went.
She's not
He
going far.
told me where it
Oh, my God.
She's not going far. Simple as that.
Love you. I love you. Thank you for trying. I'm not doing that. I'm super level.
Like, I need a
You know how
bottle of
long I
fucking
fucking been laying here?
I'm super level right now.
Look, I love you guys. And
I'm a victim of consumerism. We got Hello Kitty.
I've been more connected to Blair ever in my life. What I've shared the last fucking hour and a half, and I appreciate what you listen to,
Let me
bro.
go try to find her, okay? 'Cause Marsha's not so good.
She's not.
I'm trying to have fun.
Just go get her.
Yeah, let me go get her. Let me go find Bianca. We'll be alright. Just don't say anything.
Nah, I've shared too much that I've not heard a fucking nobody in your mouth. I'm sorry for sharing shit that I have not, you know what? I need you to get with her. I need you to.
Anyways, try this chicken up.
Chicken connected.
They also had gumbo, and I was really close to getting the gumbo, and then I didn't. Because last time I had gumbo, you could not pry me off that toilet. I'm sorry. What? Welcome to body positivity. Oh, listen, when I decided to talk about my body and how it works, that's all out the door. Oh, double standards.
Yo.
I don't think that was the gumbo's fault.
Yo.
I think it's the gumbo's fault.
Just go back to where we were at, bro. Go back.
Clean the bone. If y'all ain't cleaning the bone like this, you're wasting food. I don't know what to tell you.
Come back.
Anyways, back to the noodles.
It's okay if you... Did they give you a win for that?
No.
The girl's gonna look for her, bro. Like, I don't know what the fuck
If you can't finish it, I can throw this away and you can...
go back to what?
I was just gonna throw it in there, like, I don't, because I'll probably end up finishing this and not the fries. Anyways, back to my jicama.
I don't know if that's necessarily supposed to be part of the meal.
Well, they gave it to me, so I'm gonna eat it.
Imagine you're not supposed to eat it.
Imagine it's like styrofoam. You're just eating styrofoam. Oh my god, did I ever tell you? I forgot whose house I was in.
The thing is, like,
I was in somebody's house.
his position it sucks.
And they had like the wax fruit, like foam fruit on the table. And they had grapes, and I was like, ooh, grapes, I love grapes. And they were my favorite, they were green grapes. So I grabbed one and like, not thinking, just took a bite out of it. It was foam.
At the same time, yeah.
It was not real food.
Bro. Let's just see. That's how it is. I'm still fucking living, dude. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna give you a fucking 6 months of no treatment and shit. If I loved you that much.
You know what, I ate a third of that jicama.
Because I know you've been down.
Huh?
Are we getting dessert?
Yes, we're getting dessert. Hello.
I don't know. Kind of had my heart set on that Jackson.
But it was
I'm gonna get my boba.
shit is gone. We got a support system where it's different. It's different. It's fucking different.
Alright, I'm gonna finish Big Back and I'll come back later. Oh, we have to try the beignets. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. I don't want to leave you. I don't want you to feel excluded.
But
I said here.
I have no garbage.
it's not garbage.
Her home.
It's
Now walk fucking home.
Oh, okay.
She walked home.
I'll put that there. Open them up. Bust it open.
So we got beignets and what looks to be chocolate sauce. I'm not a big chocolate sauce, so you can try that.
You do one thing right.
Are you sure it's not honey? No, that's too dark to be honey. Nothing wrong with a little black honey.
I get it. I fucking get it, bro. Like,
I love my
and
black
I
honeys.
understand these girls
Wait,
because
hold
they're
on, let me
on
try
their
it.
side, but it's I blacked out. That's not a fucking.
No, that's chocolate sauce.
If I would've blacked out, if I would've
I'll
blacked
try
out,
it just by itself first.
If I would've
For
blacked
reference, the only reference point I have for beignets is Disneyland beignets. So,
It would have been whatever they wanted.
Exactly. Exactly. And then
they're good. Yeah, they're good. They're light, airy.
They are not airy. They're dense and they're good.
I feel like they're light, but it has a lot of like air pockets. Like, kind of think like croissant, but like more dense, kind of, with powdered sugar. And that's the vibe. Alright, let me try the chocolate sauce.
I prefer it without.
Yeah, it's better without.
I'm not gonna lie to you, Blair.
Oh, well.
You know that aspect
Alright, I'm gonna go finish Big Bacon now. Let y'all know real quick the reason why I decided to stay there. There was a couple fighting and just like beefing, hashing it out.
Two
Two couples. Oh, okay. They were just out there fighting, like straight up. And one of them was like, "That's not about the time you put your hands on me." I said, "Oh, let me sit my ass back down." I'ma throw this money like a freako. There's pieces of it coming off. Oh no. Ah. Sit. Here's the drink.
Your camera.
Oh. They miscalculated the hole. I can't get it in. Alright, well it was a milk. It's a strawberry milk ice with mango popping pearls. At least it was before it started melting. Hold on. Might as well eat this. Alright, I guess we're eating this first. One time I ate so much cotton candy from Chuck E. Cheese, I threw up in the bathroom. I never told anyone. But it was everywhere. And then I went to go shake my little butt. Do you remember how like they would have like dance parties for tickets? I was a D1 dancer there. Nobody's dance was as good as mine. I paid $7 for this. I paid an extra $1 for this. I'm gonna eat it. I feel disgusting. It is good. Honestly, it just tastes like milk with like a hint of strawberry. But the little popping mango boba tastes good. I'm gonna give you a haul. Start passing. Hello and good morning. Welcome to day. Is this day 6 or 7? Welcome to day 5. Today we're going to the OC outlets to go look around because tomorrow we have to get on our plane. Made it here. The minute I stepped out the car, my eyes started watering, so the makeup on my left eye is already gone. But it's okay. I didn't know that this place was owned by Simon though. Doesn't Simon like own all like the malls and outlets in this country? Yeah. Okay, I guess we're going to Build-A-Bear. No. For the day. For breakfast I had pizza, but it's okay. We're switching it up for what is this? Lunch. I got the California bowl with shrimp. I feel so bloated right now, and my eye keeps watering. What's that?
These are fries. This is quesadilla and this is rice. Nachos.
This word got nachos and didn't tell me. We're back home. I just woke up from a nap. Can you tell? Can you tell? Ooh. Anyways, right now I'm gonna start packing to go home. Because let me give you a quick like show of like what the room looks like real quick. So this is all mine. That's my suitcase. Ooh. That's what I used to clean my makeup off with, so nobody say nothing. That's the suitcase I bought yesterday. This all needs to go somewhere. And then on top of that, I bought more stuff. Oh, and there's a whole other sink that just has like a bunch of my stuff strewn around. So I'll be back when I figure it out. Yes, thank you.